We are Learning Matters, and we are here to revolutionize teaching and learning. Well, in order to support teachers in becoming better educators, we had to think out of the box. So we made a box. The Star Teacher Toolbox contains educational goodies that teachers can use to explain and demonstrate concepts better in the classroom.
It encourages students to interact with and experiment with concepts. It's really simple to use and promotes collaboration between teachers and students. It makes classroom learning more student-centric, relatable, interesting and fun. Unbox learning. Students learn better, learn more, absorb knowledge more quickly and become better equipped to follow their dreams in our ever-evolving world.
Children, how did you feel today? Hey, to class, Hindu?
This is our bit to improve the future of education in India, because learning matters.